Keep it on and poppin'. Try to keep it on and poppin'.
Say hi. I decided to vlog now at this point. So we're just gonna recap.
I don't believe that.
Hey guys, it's me and Arena.
Don't text and drive.
Okay, great. So today is Sunday, and Serena and I decided that we're gonna go look at rent lease today.
Straight?
I don't know. Let me look at it. Yes, continue straight.
In 1 mile, turn right onto Johnson Road Southwest.
Oh,
So yeah,
Johnson Road is.
Serena and I are looking at houses today. I plan on moving in a few months, because it'll be a year in October since we've been in our current house, me and my boyfriend. So I'm thinking about moving out. Well, I really do want to move out so that we can be on our own. So yeah, I'm planning on looking at things in our price range today, because normally when we do Rently, we just look at houses that look cute and that's the end of it. But today I want to look at houses in our price range, because if I don't buy a house, then I'll probably be renting a house or an apartment that accepts my dog, but that'll be harder to find. So we'll see about that. So right now we're going to the first house. This one says it's only $875 a month, and usually that means it's in the ghetto, honey. So we're gonna see if it's really in the ghetto. This is what it looks like. So yeah, it says it's $875 a month, 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. So we'll see. I used to be against houses that have only 1 bathroom, because I'm like, what is the point? But when you don't have any guests coming over, I guess it really doesn't matter.
Well, it gets real when he has to use it. And you have to use it at the same time.
This is true, because right now I just go downstairs if he's in the bathroom upstairs,
There won't be
or
that
if
option.
someone's in there. But if it's just me and him, then I'll just have to hold it or pee in the backyard or something.
What?
So I'm just,
He would be in the backyard.
yeah. All right, guys. So I'll check in with y'all when we get there. Okay, guys. This is the first one. It's in like the old town of the city I live in. And it's like 700 square feet, and you can definitely tell. Like, this is everything right here. This is the kitchen. It is a duplex, meaning someone lives directly next to you, attached. This right here is the hallway closet, 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms, bathroom. Like, very straight to the point. I like this. And that opens as a little medicine cabinet. Got a little window right there, okay. So this is what $800 a month gets you. Yeah. We're gonna go ahead and find another house to look at. Also, this has a great...
This one, that's why she's not saying much about it.
That's correct. Also, this one has a great urine smell to it. That's very inviting, if you ask me. So we're gonna go ahead and go.
The door does not lock.
To the next one.
Let me reopen it and get the key back out so I can grab the top lock.
All right, guys, quick check in. We have made no progress from the first house. We went to some neighborhood that we saw, and we drove around. And
Tell them what you did.
we're at Wendy's.
No,
now.
we're here because Shelly made us go West Bumblefuck to a house that she thought was cute, and it said coming soon.
I forgot that happened.
You forgot that happened.
Yes, so the next house that we went to was not available for touring yet. And yet I still went there for some reason, so.
She didn't see the coming soon online. Why is there so much mustard all over my thing?
I don't know. So yeah, we're eating Wendy's now. Look at that. Yum. And then we're gonna go to the next house that I already have in my GPS.
Oh, this is fresh.
Good. And this next one is, this is what it looks like. I think that's so freaking cute. It's 1 level, 3 bedroom, 2 bath for $12.45 a month. So not too bad. That'll be like 6 something.
If you use this house, I know your address now.
The address wasn't on the thing.
Oh, okay.
I know what I'm doing. Divided by 2, so it's $622 for me and my boyfriend if we split it. Well, we're gonna have to split it, so $12.45 a month. So yeah, we'll see you guys when we eventually get there. All Alright guys, so this is the house. Look, it has mulch in the front. The garage is on the side. It's like 2 separate garages. There's Serena. Here's the rest.
You have the code, lady?
Yes. Here's the front. Alrighty. And let's go. I love the color. The gray with the black mulch. Real cute.
That works.
Oh, why does it sound like that?
Early. Okay, Shay. This is it. This is where you're moving?
I think so. I like it. Okay. What's important here is that we have a ceiling fan. So I think this is the master over here. Ceiling fan. A little bathroom.
Okay. Decent amount of space.
Bathroom is tiny, but I like this color. Then the toilet, shower. All that good stuff. Okay, what's the closet looking like? Rena, can you open the door? What's going on with you?
What if stuff falls out?
Okay, not too bad.
That's too bright. I like the open floor plan straight to the kitchen, you know? Wow, the kitchen is deep.
Oh yeah, that goes far back. So nice little hallway kitchen. Electric. That looks new.
Look.
Good stuff, good stuff. Cabinets. And then back here would be the washer and dryer.
All
Nice.
electric, baby.
Let's look at the garage. Very spacious.
All electric, baby.
Smells like a wet dog back here. I think this will be. I like this panel right here. Hall closet. Another hall closet.
This is a better floor plan than your current home.
Okay. Cute little extra room. Nice closet.
A filming room and a guest room.
Correct. Another bathroom, very similar to the master. Okay. Automatic fan with the light.
Oh, I don't like the automatic fans. We have that in our car.
Okay. And then here is the extra room. I feel like the windows are so low to the ground. But this is a cute little starter home, if you ask me. Everything is right here, very straightforward.
There's a Walmart 5 minutes away.
Yeah. Let's look at the backyard.
There's a Publix 5 minutes away. Birds are chirping.
There's as much space as my house, but no fence.
Correct.
So with Cecilia, she'll have to be tied up to a tree. So yeah, turn this light off. I kind of like this house.
Yeah, I'm in love.
I mount the TV on the wall, put the couch over here, mount the TV over here, so we're just looking. And then I can go right to my room right here, and filming room and Cece's room. I like it. It's pretty straightforward, just for me and my boyfriend and my dog. Do you have the key?
I love it.
Okay. I like this. I would come show him this house. Look at the mulch. So cute. Not too shabby. So I guess we're about to go. Serena says she's done.
Would you move early?
I would move early.
My car said it's done.
Well, Serena's car said it's done. So I guess I'm about to go home. And yeah, I would move out early.
That's what I was asking.
Yeah.
Read that in, Shay.
Okay, so we're at one last house, which is right down the street by my house. It's across from a church right there, you see? Look at this dip right here. That is so far down. Put in the cereal.
Cereal. Cocoa Puffs.
So yeah. One last house before I go home. I'm like literally 1 mile down the road from my house.
I whip my hair back and forth.
So let's see. I think this one is also a 3-bedroom, 2-bath.
Cover mover.
I think so. Nice light on.
Someone's in there. Us.
I like that doorbell. I like that. Okay, ceiling fan. Very important. The floor. Guessing this is a coat closet. Serena already has been to this house before, so.
Here, perfect for Cece.
Oh, it's gated. I didn't think it was gated.
It's gated.
Oh, that's much better than the other one then.
Perfect for Cece. You can do a little grilling.
And there's steps going to go down there. That's nice.
Washer and dryer connection.
Oh, look, it has little spaces right here.
See the bathroom.
I like that.
What do you do if you open it under the head?
Just close it. Hold on.
Hurry.
Oh, garage. Coming this way. And I guess that's like storage right there.
1-car garage.
Or a meth lab.
Oh, Shanley.
This is a cute little kitchen actually. I thought it was too small in the pictures, but it's nice.
Check out the bathrooms.
Gas, okay. Nice open. Another closet. Bathroom.
Yes. Are you ready?
The floor is the same as the kitchen.
Are you ready?
Mm-hmm. Is it the same as the kitchen? No, it's not. And I really like this shower.
Yes, I knew you would.
That's real cute.
Look at your reflection.
Mm-hmm.
I took a picture like that
Oh.
on the ground.
Look at that.
I said, look at the house, but I fell in love with the bathroom.
That's real nice.
So the bedrooms, they have carpet.
Okay, that's not too bad.
No?
Okay, nice little spare room. Closet. This would probably be Cece's room.
Stop saying that. She's a dog.
Well, she needs a room.
No, she doesn't.
Another spare room. This would be my studio probably because look how big the closet is. Yeah, definitely. And the natural light coming in. Got an attic. Another hall closet. Coat closet. And the master bedroom. Oh, it has the bathroom. Good. Same as the one. I like.
So there are no tubs, people.
And we're not tub people.
Well, if you want to be a tub person, you
I
come
like
to my
this. This is nice, little standalone. Okay, get a little mirror back here so I can see Cece. You know, the room's not that spacious, but I could work with this, meaning that we have 2 other rooms. Huh? Well, it's probably the same size. Let's not do all that. I might have to tell my boyfriend to come down here so we can take a look.
You're gonna take it to the last 2 houses?
Because really, this is all we need. And these are pretty cheap, too. I like that. Does the master have a fan? Because that's important.
Bedrooms don't have fans. In Georgia.
Oh, it does.
That's lucky.
I like it. It's a lot of light coming through here because the screen door and... Interesting. So I have 2 possible houses. So this one is real close to my house.
And I have 2 vacation houses.
I'm sorry.
2 possible.
Did you put the key in already?
Yes. 2 possible vacation houses.
That's really nice. All right, now I'm going home.
And it's not a busy street.
At all. Tiny garage.
You don't need a 2-car garage.
I know. I'm fine with leaving my
Where's the
outside.
mailbox?
Right here.
I'm about to say, am I taking it with me?
No, not yet.
Taking the sign.
This one down there is for sale.
Yeah. You can reverse it, no problem.
This is real cute. I like it. I'm gonna have to take my boyfriend here today.
Keep it on and poppin'. Try to keep it on and